what is the impact of foreign investment on US commercial real estate, right? Like, for example, volatility or price inflation, etc. What is the, kind of give me, four components of the impact, if you like, of foreign investment?
I mean, for sure, what has happened because the foreign investor groups, it's made things expensive, for certain asset classes. Multifamily, for example, it keeps getting more and more expensive because there's so much competition to buy the assets. Even with the U.S. investors, but now when you throw in a foreign investor who wants to start doing it, start making these types of investments, it makes it even more expensive because there's more competition for the same product. I mean, we're seeing that in office buildings. We've seen that in multifamily. And I think we're starting to see more of that in the industrial logistics aspect, because that's something also everyone in the world probably is now trying to get on the bandwagon, like the Amazon effect, where everything goes online, so to speak, where we need warehouses, logistics, all that's it's like a growing field, and a lot more interest keeps coming from investors to do those type of assets going forward. I don't think they've actually done a lot 2 years prior, but they're definitely focused on that asset class now.
So that's okay. So actually, that was we were talking about that, the different asset classes. So industrial. What about medical office buildings or senior housing or any of these other asset classes? That's something you've seen.
Well, senior housing, yes, because I lump that into the multifamily bucket, because to them it's rental apartments for a different age group. It's still right. It's still active. Medical office, we don't really do any of that. So I can't really speak to that aspect of it. But we have done assisted living, which is like the next level above senior housing,
right,
where it's more of a medical aspect to it. But that's probably the most we've ever done in the medical field, because we have plenty to do in the office, industrial and multifamily. So it's more of a specialized asset class that the medical office is.